Last game of the day between the gray team and white team. Let's G.
Lagi yan, Hap, ano? Laki. Lagi yan sa inyong game.
Kung sino hindi naka-uniform.
Tingnan na isa. Basta hindi naka-uniform.
Technical shot, Mr. David.
Ala talaga.
Nilamig.
Hoy, wala ka talaga, boy.
Jumble between David and jersey number 24.
Hop, ya.
Sa mataas. Jumble again. White ball. Illegal tapping. Body the ball, jersey number 00 to jersey number 18. Back to jersey number 00. Wala.
Derecho.
Mr. David to jersey number 10. Gandang correction. To jersey number 1.
Ano,
There's
ano,
a whistle.
Huwag na naman si Paul.
The foul committed by jersey number 27. First personal foul and first team foul. Regarding the ball, jersey number 1. The jersey number 13. Drop pass to jersey number 18. Same ball. Jersey number 18 to Fernandez sa gitna. Wala. Jumble.
Gray.
18. Ball. Jersey number 20. Pass to jersey number 10. Ditigado na 3. Wala. Jersey number 21. Wala pa rin. Jersey number 27. Mr. David. Drop pass to jersey number 1. Tapikan. Jersey number 24. Block. Kung mas malaki yung isa, mas malaki ito. Shot clock down to 7. Down to 5. Last 2.
Nice.
Jersey number 00. Pass to jersey number 18. There's no whistle. And the foul committed by jersey number 10. Pushing foul.
Ganda ngayon ng liga, ano? May pa-muse na eh. Sayang yung muse ng ano, Gray ah.
To jersey number 18.
Sayang yung muse.
Pass
Ang
to
Gray?
number 00.
Oo.
Pass to jersey number 10 sa gitna.
Hindi umati. Ano?
His body, wala.
May regular raw, nagkasakit.
Last 6 minutes.
Maubos yung pondo
52
natin.
seconds.
8K yata, per takbo.
Jersey number 00. Titikado na 3. Wala.
Hindi ko, nakalimutan ko eh, kung magkano.
The jersey number 9, Mr. David. Drop pass to number 9. There's a whistle. Offensive foul. The jersey number 21, sending the play. Pass to jersey number 1, Mr. Hernandez. Back to jersey number 18. Drop pass to jersey number. Still by jersey number 13. Nagmamadali, jersey number 21. Drop pass to Mr. David. Error. Jersey number 18. Looking for his teammates. Tatapikahan ng bola. Matawid niya pa rin. Jersey number 13. May kasama bang foul.
Laki.
Last
Lapan.
foul, Rep. Jersey number 21. First personal foul and third team foul.
Sasaklang ka talaga dyan.
First serve. It's a basket. Jersey number 27 to Mr. David, to Mr. Ignacio. Pasa ilalim, pumiki. Shot na, down to 10, reset. To jersey number 1, Hernandez, pinali, wala. Rebound by David. To jersey number 10, wala. Rebound by jersey number 18, pass to Mr. Hernandez, bounce. Easy basket. Jersey number 27, setting to play. Looking for his teammate. Nakita si Ignacio, 15-foot range. Wala. So Mr. David. Not counted. Foul committed by jersey number 1, Mr. Hernandez. First personal foul. And first team foul. Body ball jersey number 9, Mr. David. Titikada ng dos, Mr. 27. Drop pass to 29. Shot lag down to 10. Mr. David sharing the play. Pass jersey number 10. Wala. Last swipe. Shot lag down. Reset to 14. Reset to 14. Kung Adan, titigada ng 3, wala.
Laki oh, putik.
Sumilala back circle. Jersey number 15, Garcia. Jersey number 18, pass to jersey number 15 again, shot lock down to 10. Sa gitna. Bola. Jersey number 14 to Mr. David. Up in the way. There's a whistle. Offensive foul.
Basket ha, not basket.
Sa gitna, si jersey number 13. Susubungan ng depensa ni Mr. David. There's a whistle. Jersey number 27, looking for his teammate. Harassed by jersey number 18. Back to jersey number 27. Fakes. Sa gitna, 6 times. Huli ka kay jersey number 24. Jersey number 14, titigada ng 3. Wala. Shot lock, reset. Easy basket. Jersey number 18, titigada ng 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound by jersey number 13. Gandang timing.
Hindi nakuha na pala yun. Buti na.
14.
Nakakawili manood eh. Hirap mag-video.
Time remaining last 4 minutes and 29 seconds.
Wala eh.
First row for jersey number 13. Wala. Sub tayo pag na-shoot. Last row for jersey number 13. Nakatapigan jersey number 27. Nagmamadali. Easy basket. Jersey number 18 looking for his teammate. Narina jersey number 13. Umantag sa gitna. Binaterat mo. Drop pa sa Hernandez. Easy basket.
Ayos na ball!
Time remaining last 4 minutes exact.
My day na!
Jersey number 9, Mr. David. Isolation step. Nahuli ni jersey number 24. Pass to Mr. Hernandez. Spinning load. Drop pass jersey number 18.
Kaya ka na naman sa foul ah.
Jersey number 13. In 2 points.
Ibabos naman.
Ang daming binangko sa PG eh.
Time remaining last 3 minutes and 32 seconds.
Oo, sa amin pinasok lahat eh.
Nakita si jersey number 21. Mr. Ignacio using the board. Wala. Nakakuha ni jersey number 26.
Ang ganda.
Easy basket. Nahuli ni David. El Granada. And the foul committed by jersey number 1, Hernandez. Substitution rep.
Meron
Pasok
kami
na.
dyan.
Ron boy, maganda.
Linang yan.
Oo, hindi ko na ginamit yung isa oh. Pero malulobot na. Dapat may power bank ako. Dapat dalawang game lang. Ayun oh, nakasaksak ako.
First row from
Cellphone ko
Mr.
lobot.
David.
Kay Lucky ginamit ko. Sino kalaban na? Sino
Hernandez,
kalaban
2
niya?
fouls and third team foul.
Wala na
Ayan, muna pa nga. Para ma-edit ko agad.
Score
Ah, puta, coach yung coach.
Coach Paul!
Coach Paul!
Last row from Mr. David. Wala. Substitution rep.
Ah, kay Kenneth yan. Yung mga damit.
Pasok na, pasok na.
Ayun oh, Morales.
Basta naka-report, sige pasok. Tapikin nyo na lang yung palalabasin nyo.
Dapat pasok si Paps ha.
Time
Paps.
remaining left 2 minutes and 24
Nice one!
seconds.
Joseph!
To jersey number 29, looking for his teammate. Pass to jersey number 24.
Uy, traveling.
There's a whistle, a traveling violation. Time remaining last 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Jersey number 27, looking for his teammate. Pass to jersey number 14. Adan, titigado ng 3. Wala. Nahuli-huli ni Mr. 27, 6 step. Iniwang kay Mr. Adan sa gitna. Easy basket.
Wala man. Yung kanina? Wala na, pinabay ko na kayo nun.
Jersey number 24, harassed by jersey number 11, using his elbow. Wala, rebound by.
Pinabay ko na sa atin na, sa atin na. Sa atin na. Sa atin na. Sa kanina ba? Yung sa dalawa.
Gray ball.
Yung pera mo, binay ko na kay Jubin. Pinatago ko na kay Jubin.
Jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 27.
Huli ko pa wag na.
Time remaining last 1 minute and 43 seconds. Mr. David.
Kunin ka.
There's a whistle.
Sukulihan ko na lang to. Oo, sige. Sukulihan mo muna. Sa atin.
Jersey number 12. Warning for penalty.
Ayos yung liga ngayon, dami no? Solid pa, may views ah. Sino binoto mo? Si Flores?
Oo, pangapat isa ni Flores.
Jersey number 27, 6 step.
Bayan.
Easy basket. A magic shot.
Pero padalawi sa amin.
Pangalawa?
Oo.
Sino ba sa inyo? Ah, si Kaligalig. Kaligalig. Yun yung ano ko eh. Yun rin binoto ko pangalawa.
Yung nasa
Gray ball.
Flores tapos. Yung inyo.
Last 1
Ay,
minute
amin muna.
and 22 seconds.
Bago.
Jersey number 27. Looking for his teammate. Screen by Mr. David. Sa gitna. Nakpas na Mr. Adan and there's a whistle.
Third quarter na pumasok si Goku eh.
Nothing but
Naayaw pa rin eh. Alam na, mangyayari.
last throw. Wala, rebound ni Mr. David.
Ganda.
Napaganda pa.
Ayun no.
Jersey number 29. Time remaining exactly 1 minute. Sa gitna na harangan. Si jersey number 29. Shot clock down to 10.
Ganda.
Nice pick. Si jersey number 27. 6-time step. Paborito niya talaga yun. Easy basket. Last 39 seconds. Morales, wala. Si jersey number 8. Last 30 seconds. O Mr. Adan again. Wala. Last 20. Shot clock is dead.
Kuha bola
Last
dati.
18. Last 15. Last 10. Ay Mr. Adan again. Easy basket. And on the first quarter, technical foul.
Patatanggal lang ko.
Control.
Kanina? Patama ng bola.
Unproper uniform.
Ay, ano pala eh. Kada isang uniform na hindi. Technical.
Oo.
Oo.
Pero depende rin sa amin kasi ibibilang dapat sa sa bilang sa dami ng isang free throw pero yung foul sa tao.
Yung kanina yung tumira yung isa, yung kabilang team.
Gray yung
Hindi, tumira yung isa eh. Hindi papatirahin din yan. Hintayin natin yung usap nila, Rep. Oh, white ball daw po.
Si Jason naman! Ipasok si
Jersey
Jason!
number 29. Looking for his teammate. Paras by jersey number 11 and there's a whistle. Jersey number 11. First personal foul and first team foul. The jersey number 17. Okay, still by jersey number 14. Easy basket. The jersey number 29. The 29 again. 15-foot range. Wala.
Uy,
The jersey number 15 again. The jersey number 6. Looking for his teammate. Pass to jersey number 15. Hernandez. Zigzagging step. Shot clock down to 10. Same ball. Shot clock down to 10. Jersey number 8. Wala. There's a whistle. A jumble violation. Black ball.
si Christian
Wala.
wala?
Jersey number 15. Hernandez.
Christian
Jersey
ano?
number 11. Jersey number 6.
Yung naglaro sa red dati?
Looking for his teammate.
Sa white yun, di ba?
Sa white yun!
Asa na? Wala oh.
Jersey number 15 again. Hernandez. Titigada ng 3. Wala.
Paul, wala si Christian? Wala? Christian? Sa inyo? Hindi yan kanina yan ah.
Jersey number 29 sa gitna. Ay, Mr. Alcantara. There's a whistle. Jersey number 6, last foul. Arkham shooting. First throw. Wala. Last throw. Wala pa rin. There's a whistle. Substitution rep. Only the ball, jersey number 6. Jersey number 15, Hernandez. Hernandez. Jersey number 18. Jersey number 6. Looking for his teammate. Shot leg down to 10. Shot leg down to 8. Back to jersey number 8. Shot leg down to 1. Wala na. Shot leg violation.
So kang ano?
Jersey number 17.
Isang Goku.
Hindi kami naman ang tao eh.
Jersey number
Siya kasi likot rin yung tao eh.
Wala. And there's a whistle. Foul given by jersey number 29. Jersey number 29. Arellano daw. Morales daw. Jersey number 6.
Shot!
Jersey number 16. Ikada ng 3. In and out. Shot lag. Reset down to 14. Miranda. Jersey number 8. And there's a whistle. Dancing without music. Rep. May complete dito, rep. Dalawa kasi 29
Ha?
sa loob.
Lambak eh.
Sino lang score?
Lamang ano?
Dalawa yung 29 kasi. Okay, may one shot tayo.
Ah, may pares ba number sa
Sa
inyo?
29, pakibaliktad na lang jersey.
Wala mga
Zero na lang.
Ayun o, kita mo, baliktad yung isa.
Pakibaliktad na
Dapat
lang.
talaga walang parehas. Kaya hindi ako nagpaparehas sa Giant eh.
Ayan, baliktad na isa. Baliktad rin niya isang jersey.
Ah, baliktad.
Yan, para zero na lang siya.
Talaga, dapat talaga, ano,
Goes through.
walang parehas.
Substitution, rep.
Sa amin, malinis eh.
Substitution.
Si Lander, 6/9 eh.
Charles! Charles! Charles!
Charles!
Takin tayo, takin.
Charles! Kuya Jeff! Kuya Jeff! Kuya Jeff! Ano ka Jeff?
Jersey number 0. Easy. Tagit na. Bubutas. Easy basket.
Malakas talaga naman may pa si ano.
Easy.
Pwede to sa Samsung eh.
Oo. Kaso ayaw niyang pumusta eh.
Ayaw niyang makapalaki.
There's a whistle. Jersey number 00. Mr. Sisik. First goal.
Si Paps, number 4.
Last row. For jersey number 16. Wala. There's a whistle.
Sa championship na uli sila rerentahin.
Jersey number 00, Mr. Sisik. The jersey number 17 sa gitna. Isang step. Nakapagpilin jersey number 16. Morocco pass. Jersey number 16. Easy basket. Mamaya. Dead ball tayo mag-ball. Jersey number 00, Sisik. Aspect to Gumutos. 10 seconds, 3 seconds violation.
Si Paps, 3 seconds si Paps.
Substitution rep. Gray ball.
3 points, Kuya Jeff!
Jersey number 25.
Patay!
Got the jersey number 25 to Miranda. Looking for his teammate. Harassed by jersey number 15 to 25. Keep together and press. Wala.
Habang ni Kuya Pau ah.
Shot like down to 14.
Oo. Patay kayo.
Wala.
Kuha! Gitna!
Pagitna. Jersey number 12. Using his body. Drop jersey number 77 to jersey number 00. Bingo. Jersey number 15. Looking for his teammate. Babawiin ang tres. Wala. Ibabay jersey number 00. And gray ball. 6 seconds.
About 4 minutes.
Looking for his teammate. Jersey number 15. Shot like down to 10. Nabitawan ang bola and there's a whistle. The foul committed by jersey number 77. The substitution rep. Ito na yan. Huwag na shoot yung uli. Time remaining, last 4 minutes and 13 seconds. First row, wala. Wala. Jersey number 00. Aras by jersey number 15. Jersey number 12. Nakasagasa sa gitna. Ayan na. Nag-umahan ng siko. Jersey number 18. Miranda. Miranda sa gitna. Wala. Jersey number 25. Easy 2 points. Time remaining, last 3 minutes and 44 seconds. A good night. Jersey number Dito kasama ng boss. Wala. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 15. Shot clock down to 10. Umiranda. Pinakasagsa pa ka. Number sa whistle. Wait lang, report mo na. Report mo natin yung referee. Jersey number. Pass. Jersey number 27. Step back. Wala. Number sa whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 8. Wala natin.
Sure, play.
Same ball. Shot leg down to 11.
Laki, pistohan mo. Yun.
Shot leg down to 10. Using his body, napapigan yung bola. Jump by Miranda. Jersey number 24. He's the basket. Jersey number 27, Gregorio. Jersey number 17. Wala. Jersey number 27, is the basket. Time remaining last 2 minutes and 38 seconds. Nabitawan ng bola. Nagawang bola. There's a whistle. Pushing foul violation. Foul by jersey number 24. Substitution. Warning for penalty. Jersey number 27. Sa gitna, bubutasin ang kapunsa. Ada pagkala, jersey number 24. Napagin ka pa. By jersey number 24. White ball. Timeout! Great team! 30 rather. To jersey number 27. Asa sa ilalim, nabasa ni Mr. David. Sa ilalim, napaganda. Wala. To jersey number 24, easy basket. To jersey number 27, looking for his teammate. Pass to Mr. David sa gitna. And there's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 30.
Bit ka lang, lakad. Uy, mong mawakan siya. Dyan lang.
Time remaining last 1 minute and 55 seconds.
Ano pinili mo doon, Olan?
Last row. Wala. Corner by jersey number 27. Looking for his teammate. Pass to Mangovat. Jersey number 30. Looking for his teammate. Screen by jersey number 16. Sa gitna, bubutasin ang depensa. To jersey number 10. Shot lock down to 10. Interstep by jersey number 27. Looking for his teammate. Side step is smooth. Pinasa kay Mr. David. To jersey number 27. Shot lock down to 14. To jersey number 21. Shot lock down to 5. Pass to jersey number 16. Natulala. Malula.
Ariko!
To jersey number 27. To jersey number 10. Titigada ng 3. Wala. Rebound by jersey 21. Kulang sa rebound.
Pushing. 21.
Jersey number 21. Pushing foul. Jersey number 30. Ang gubat. Shot lag down to 14. Jersey number 14. Pin under. 5 remaining, last 1 minute and 12 seconds. Jersey 24. Intercept. Pass to jersey number. It's timing move 27.
Baba.
Last 1 minute. Mr. David. He's away.
Stop.
Dead ball. Jersey number 27. 24. Easy basket. Last 48 seconds.
Mamaya.
Jersey number 27 to Mr. Adan. Sa gitna kay Mr. David. Fake pass to Mr. Adan. Easy basket. 3 points by Mr. Adan. Last 29 seconds. Shot clock is dead. Last 22 seconds. Shot clock is dead. Jersey number 21. Jersey number 27. Looking for his teammate. Pass to El Granada. David titigada ng 3. Pasa lang pala. Easy basket. Last 17 seconds. Last 12. Last 13. Drop pass again. Last 10. Good yun. And up to the second quarter.
Ngayon, no? Ma-commentator natin.
Pare, may taga-chair kayo, pare. May taga-chair kayo.
Jersey number 1, Mr. Hernandez. Setting to play to jersey number 18. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 24 using his body. Wala pa rin. To jersey number 24. There's a whistle.
Foul. Sino foul?
Jersey number 8. Two shot awarded by jersey number 24. First row, wala.
Justin, may highlights na, oh. Kakat na lang.
Last row for jersey number 24. Easy basket. Jersey number 27 looking for his teammate. Pass to jersey number 9, David. Tip of jersey number 11. Wala. To jersey number 14. To jersey number 11. Wala. To jersey number 18. Palakas ang pasa.
Pakita mo ng mga ano, committee, oh. Committee for the day.
Baka sumabay.
Corner ball, jersey number 18 to jersey 13. A bulldozer.
The bulldozer.
To jersey number 27, up and under. Easy basket. To jersey number 1, Mr. Hernandez. Pass to jersey number 18. Looking for his teammate. Back to jersey number 1. Looking his body. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 1. Easy basket. Time remaining, last 6 minutes and 50 seconds. To jersey number 27. Shot lag down to 12. Shot lag down to 10. And there's a whistle, a double dribble violation. To jersey number 18. Looking for his teammates. Inatake ang gitna. Floater. In. Easy basket. To jersey number 27. To jersey number 14. Titikada ng 3. Good yan. To jersey number 1. Hernandez. Easy basket. Mamaya pag dead ball. Jersey number 14. To jersey number 11. Exactly 6 minutes. To jersey number 27. Shot lag down to 14. To David. Wala. To jersey number 24. Sa gitna. Up and under sa gitid. Pinangga si David. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Hernandez. Ayan na. Bukangga. Giba. And there's a whistle. Jersey number 4. Last foul. 14 rather. Second personal foul and second team foul. First throw, not basket. Last throw. Wala again. And a two-zone violation. Wala muna papasok agad. Another bonus shot. Wala pa rin. Same ball.
Paul, sino 30 sila? White? Tambak pala? Tambak pala?
Bowling the ball to jersey number 13. Up and under again. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha ni jersey number 18. And there's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 11. Second personal foul and third team foul. Two shots awarded by jersey number 15. Wala pa rin. Last row, ready jumper. Easy basket. Jersey number 27, looking for his teammate, harassed by jersey number 18. Sending to play, looking for his teammate, passes jersey number 11. Pinalik kay 27, shot lag down to 10. Looking for his teammate, David, wala. Shot lag down to 6. There's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 11. Substitution rep. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Last 5 minutes exactly. Drop pass to Mr. 24. Titikada ng 3. Wala. Masyadong malakas. Jersey number 18. Looking for his teammate. Pass to jersey number 1. Hernandez. To jersey number 18. 7 to play. Pass to jersey number 24. 13. Nabitawan ng bola. To jersey number 27. Gandang drop pass. Kaya lang nahawi.
Kataasan na isang team. Buong game.
Ilang ano yun? Ilan sa divide yun? Ilan ano? Ilan per tao? Ilan?
Mr. David sa gitna. Natapikan ni jersey number 18.
Naka 15k kami ngayon eh.
Basta 85k.
Captain Ball?
Kasi ikaw naman captain ball eh.
Hindi, sa iba.
Jersey number 18. Looking for his teammate.
Okay.
Drop pass to jersey
Magkano
number 13.
magkano ngayon? Magkano?
Jersey number
Magkano?
15. Napapit
Entry
away.
fee.
Easy
Magkano
basket.
entry fee sa isang tao? Kunyari, ano kayo?
Jersey number 18
Divide mo nga,
again.
divide mo.
Jersey number 24 sa gitna. Babasagin ng depensa. Easy basket. Exactly 4 minutes. Harassed by jersey number 18. Looking for his teammate. Pass to number 14. Drop pass to jersey number 8. In and out to Mr. David. Wala pa rin. White ball. Jersey number 18. Looking for his teammate. Harassed by jersey number 18. Drop pass to jersey number 13. Easy basket. Bigat yata niyan. To jersey number 27,
Ilang player kayo?
Di
Sabihin na
Macay.
natin 18.
To Mr. David sa gitna. Natapikan ng bola.
5,000.
To jersey number
Tatanong
18,
ko na lang.
nagkamadali kay 24. Easy basket.
Ano yan ha?
Oh.
Bigay na, bigay mo lang.
Buong season na yan.
Sa akin, walang problema kaso yung ibang kasama ko baka umaray dyan.
To jersey number 14, to Mr. David. Sa gitna, gandang depensa. Papapin the way.
Ano?
Tawag dito. Ay, di. Pili ka kung sino mga gusto ng numero.
Oh.
To jersey number 18, looking for his teammate.
Pero ano?
Setting the play, pass to jersey number 13. Susubok sa gitna, and there's a whistle.
Tanong muna sa ano.
And a traveling
Usap-usap muna
violation.
ulit tayo.
A very nice
Usap-usap
call.
muna ulit tayo.
And a
Oo,
timeout.
Usap-usap din tayo.
Play team.
Mga ano, captain doon.
Setting the play.
Nasa ano, tigpa
Pass to jersey number 8.
pa 5K.
Natapikan jersey number 24.
Sa akin, walang problema kaso sa ibang
Jersey
kasama
number
natin
1,
na
Hernandez.
mahirapan yun eh. Yung 1K nga, ano po.
To jersey number 13, looking for his teammate. Babangga sa gitna. Using his body. Looking for his teammate. Last 3. Easy basket. Basket yan. Jersey number 14. To jersey number 8. Looking for his teammate. Pass to David. David sa gitna. Natapikan. Same ball. Shot lag down to 14. To jersey number 27. Bingo! To jersey number 29. To Mr. Hernandez. Natapikan. Masyadong mataas ang pasa. Nabitawan. Napaganda pa. In and out. Huli ni Mr. David using his body. Ay, kasama pang foul. The foul committed by jersey number 15. Mr. David.
Ron, dito ka muna mag-video. Pag ano lang. Tingnan ko anong sino kasunod na kalaban natin. Ako ka mo maigi ah. Dito ka na ka lang, may nanood din.
Jersey number 15. Garcia. Natapikan ng bola kay Mr. Garcia. Wala. Same ball. Time remaining last 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Tarin mo, jersey number 18 to jersey number 1, Hernandez. Shot lag down to 14. Intercept by jersey number 8. Masyadong malakas.
Kala ko lilipad ka eh.
To jersey number 18. Last 1 minute and 58 seconds. To Mr. Hernandez sa gitna, titigada ng dos. Wala pa rin. And there's a whistle, a traveling violation. To jersey number 14. Looking for his teammate, pass to jersey number 27. Isolation move, pass to jersey number 15. Titigada ng 3. Wala, rebound by jersey number 8. Nadampot ang bola, wala pa rin. Jersey number 15, Garcia, spin move. Using his body, fade away shot. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 14. To David, up and under, wala pa rin. There's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 13. Second personal foul and second team foul. Substitution rep.
Pasok.
Sige, pasok na. Pasok na.
Lamang pa naman kayo.
The jersey number 15. Fake pass and there's a whistle. A turnover. Intercept by jersey number 9, Mr. David. Itikata sa gitna, nilapag ang bola, and there's a whistle. And a foul committed by jersey number 15. Kaya pasok na po. First row for Mr. David. Wala. Time remaining, last 1 minute and 10 seconds. First row, wala. Rebound by jersey number 15. Jersey number 24. Napaganda pa yung ikot. Exactly 1 minute. Jersey number 11 to Mr. David, to Hernandez. Shot like down to 10. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 24. Time remaining, last 42 seconds. Still by jersey number 15. Up another block. Time remaining, last 34 seconds. Natapigan ng bola. Jersey number 15, Hernandez. Exactly 30 minutes. Jersey number 0. Easy basket. Shot clock is dead. Last 24 exactly seconds. To Mr. David.
5 seconds.
Last 15. Shot clock is dead. Sa gitna, Araro. And there's a whistle. Committed by jersey number 13. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Dikit lang po yung laban yan. There's first row is basket.
Last mo na yun!
Last 9 seconds. In and out. Jersey number 15. Last 5. Easy basket. Last 1. And the last and the final quarter between gray team and white.
Yun, no?
Score is 45-54. Again po, yung mga kalot po natin dyan. Pakitapot po yung mga naiwang basura para po makaulit tayo rito. Last in the final quarter.
Ano ulam natin? Wala, sarado ang Lidl.
Founded ball, jersey number 6.
Ha? Uwi ka na?
The jersey number 18, Miranda, full of J, wala. Intercept the ball. Pass to jersey number 23, up and under, wala pa rin. The jersey number 8, napaganda pa. The jersey number 21, looking for his teammate. Pass to jersey number 8. Gandang pasa kay Miranda, gandang fake. Easy basket. To jersey number 00. To jersey number 38 to 18, spin move. Shot like down to 10. To jersey number 28, pull up J, easy basket. Jersey number 6. To jersey number 8. Looking for his teammate. Pass to Miranda. To Ignacio. Titigada ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Ignacio again. To jersey number 8. Back pass to jersey number 6. In and out. And shot clock violation.
Oh, wala po.
Wala pa rin. To jersey number 29, Morales. Easy basket.
Time out.
6 minutes, 46 seconds.
Ayun, time out.
Teka lang, report mo na referee. 31. And time out. Great team.
Oras left. Ay,
6 minutes and 44 seconds. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 27. To jersey number 9, David. Natapingan ng bola. Same ball. Ayun o. To jersey number 26. Sa gitna. There's a whistle. Jersey number 00, nagmamadali. Kukunin ng tsansa. Natapikan jersey number 9, David. Ibaba jersey number 29. To David, to jersey number 14, up and under. Easy basket. To jersey number 24. There's a whistle. Line ball violation. Jersey number 24. Nahuli. To jersey number 21. Nagmamadali. Looking for his teammate. Jersey number 27. 5 minutes and 42 seconds. Shot leg down to 14. Ganda pasa kay David. Gandang peke. Malakas lang masyado. There's a whistle. Holding foul. Committed by jersey number 10. Steam foul. Substitution rep. Ayan na, yung pinakamalalaki. Ewan ko na lang.
meron pa isa yan eh.
Jersey number
Wala pa dyan.
28.
Wala pa
Jersey
dyan
number
sa Japan.
00.
Oh.
Wala. Rebound by David. Lilipad. Pasa lang pala. Jersey number 00. Lingel for his teammate. Pass to jersey number 28. Sa gitna. Hinuli. Depensa. Wala. To jersey number 27. To jersey number 14. And there's a whistle. A traveling violation. Exactly 5 minutes. Jersey number 23. 31 runner. Natapikan ng bola. To jersey number 21. Natapikan. Substitution rep.
Laki yung cellphone mo dito ah.
Pagod na. Di na kaya ng karburador.
Yung cellphone. Andiyan yung cellphone na isa. Ah, ito. Siya yung ano, DB, ano, no. Dito ko nilapag sa mesa.
Shot leg down to 10. Shot leg down to 5. Shot leg down to 6. Shot leg down to 6. About mo, jersey number 18. To jersey number 00, looking for his teammate. To jersey number 13. Usubukan ng katawan sa katawan. To jersey number 13. Up and under, wala. Jersey number 13. Easy basket.
Tatlo. Wala pa si Christian dyan Paul, wala pa si Christian, ano?
Recorded ball, jersey number 9, David. Looking for his teammate. 15-foot range, wala. Rebound by jersey number 9.
Ano na? Ano si
Time remaining exactly 4 minutes. So jersey number 12, looking for jersey number 13. 15-foot range, wala. To jersey number 9, David. There's a whistle. Easy lang, easy. Jersey number 29. Pushing foul. Third on you. Jersey number 14, Adan.
pasok ka raw.
Pass to jersey number 27.
Lapit ka na dito.
Last 3 minutes and 51 seconds.
3 minutes na yan. 3 minutes
In and
na.
out. To David. There's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 20. 29.
Siksik.
Substitution rep.
Sab. Tawag. Wait lang.
29. Warning for graduation. Sige na, pasok na.
Sige.
Ilang minutes pa rep? Ay ano?
3 minutes and 43
3
seconds.
minutes na lang.
Dante.
Fourth na.
Fourth na yan.
Last quarter.
Kuya, nakamambag mo.
In and out.
Net, ano? Sabaw na. Pre, sabaw ka pag.
Pag pumasok, sub. First row, wala. To jersey number 18, nagmamadali. Aras by jersey number 21. Pass to jersey number 29 sa gitna. Gandang pasa niya sa gitna. Wala pa rin. To jersey number 9. Jersey number 20. 12, brother. Substitution rep. Jersey number 27 to jersey number 6. To jersey number 9, David, the 15-foot line. Easy basket. To jersey number 24, up and under. In and out.
Ayun no.
To jersey number 24, gandang pegi niyan. To jersey number 27,
Pangliga lang pala yung tira niya. Panliga lang tira niya.
to jersey number 21, titikada na 3, wala. Rebound by David, using his body. Susubukan ng depensa, and there's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 12. Substitution, third personal foul and third team foul. Third team foul. Time remaining, last 2 minutes and 57 seconds. Jersey number 6, pass to jersey number 21. To jersey number 21 again, titikada na 3, masyadong malakas. Rebound by jersey number 6. Shot clock down to 10. To jersey number 27, up and away. Wala pa rin. To jersey number 24, nagmamadali, up and under. And there's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 6. Second personal foul and second team foul. Time remaining, last 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Nothing but that. Last row for jersey number. Jersey number 9, David, looking for his teammate. There's a whistle. Jersey number 18. Wait lang. Hintayin natin mag-report yung referee. Jersey number 77. Pushing foul.
Sub.
Warning for penalty.
Sub.
Substitution rep. Sige na, pasok na. Opponent mo, jersey number 9, David. This is jersey number 29. Shot leg down to 10. To David. Shot leg down to 8. Jersey 29, wala. To jersey number 24. Sa gitna, sasagasa. And there's a whistle. Foul, gawin mo jersey number 9. David. Third team foul. Third team foul. Kabila ulit yung penalty, kabila. Ball ball, jersey number 15, Garcia. Looking for his teammate. Harassed by jersey number 27. Pass to jersey number 18. In and out. Natapigan. Shot lock. Reserve to 14. To jersey number 24. Napaganda. Wala again. Rebound by David. Exactly 1 minute and 47 seconds. To jersey number 21. Ignacio. To David. Shot lock down to 10. Shot lock down to 5. David. Wala. To Garcia. Jersey number 24.
Ayun o.
Itikada. Wala.
Libre, sayang si Kevin.
To jersey number 14. Gandang pegi niyan. Isip. In and out. Kala ko basket na. To jersey number 18. Hernandez, and there's a whistle.
Ay, Paul. Ayaw, Paul.
Foul given by jersey number 27. Warning for penalty. Both team warning for penalty. Push it awarded by jersey number 1. Hernandez. First row, wala. Last row, ready jumper. Time remaining, last 1 minute and 7 seconds. Lima lang ang kalamangan ng Team Gray. Jersey number 8, tinira, wala. Last 57 seconds.
Lima lang o, lima.
Randa lang. Number 9, offensive foul. Using this elbow. Extended elbow. Last 40 seconds. Extended elbow. Jersey number 15, Garcia. To Garcia. To Hernandez.
Balik, Luis.
Last 40 seconds. Bingo! Time out! Great team! Jersey number 21, Ignacio. To jersey number 9, David. Shot leg down to 14. David, and there's a whistle. Penalty. Jersey number 18,
Para may edit ko na mamaya.
foul.
Meron ba? Meron? May edit na natin mamaya.
21 seconds.
Yung pasa ko, sabihin mo, boys over, dapat foul yun, di lang tinawagan.
Pwede mo naman itong itulog sa isa. Well, wala ka na amoy.
Thank you na.
Boy na naman.
Babala ko na santol ko yan.
Oo, ang bilis. Puta kayo tatatol.
Whistle basket. Hello! White team.
1.8 seconds.
Last 21 seconds. Shot clock is dead. Okay. Shot like that to 14.
Mamaya ayos ang schedule ulit.
Parang nagumping nga lang.
Eh di sila, ang dalawa.
Maingay, hindi na nga kita nakita dun eh.
Jersey number 18. Pass to jersey number 28 to Garcia. Airball. Last 13.
Lima pala, lima.
Last 13 and 6 to shoot.
Wala. Layo.
Last man.
Kaso foul.
Foul to jersey number 4. Penalty.
24 yan na, 24.
Last foul, jersey number 24. Paalala lang po yung mga naiiwang kalat dyan, pakitampot na para tayo makaulit. Jersey number 27, last throw. Wala. Iwan pa David. Last 5. Last foul, jersey number 18.
Sayang, tayo na yun eh. Ang lamig ako tayo ng
Sino, si Charles, no? Si Charles, best player.
tayo lang
Last
lang
foul,
yan.
really jumper. In and out. End of the fourth quarter. Congratulations, the great team.
David!
In the third and final game of the Easter Games, the Gray team defeated the White team with a score of 65-59. Team captain Charles John David nearly recorded a triple-double with 16 points, 14 rebounds, and 9 assists.